Hello and thanks for watching Guitar 101 Rammstein. I am back with another Baglama video. Those have been getting the best feedback lately, so I plan to do some more of these for the time being. I have a lot of free time on my hands right now thanks to this lockup. Nice day outside, so figured I'd shoot this outside. So today I'm going to show you a scale on the Baglama. We're going to break it down into two ways of playing it. First, this is the way I like to learn scales, makes it easier to memorize. We're going to play only half of it first and then add on the rest of the notes and play the whole thing. I'm using a short neck today. You can do this on long neck as well. Just the tuning's important. This is A, G, D. So the top course of strings is A, middle course is G, bottom three are D. And you could do this on the long neck as well. If you want, you can make all those notes flat. You know, so it's the same tuning, just lower pitch. What I've also done, I did this yesterday. I saw a video of some guy that did that, and I found that very helpful. Is I made little fret markers on my frets. Just took some electrical tape, cut some squares, and put them there. The ones on the front, I don't see those when I'm playing. That's for you guys to see to make it easier. And I put them on the neck as well, on the side where you normally have fret markers to see. And that makes things 100 times easier. All right, so what I'm going to play is in the key of A, and it's called the Hijaz scale. From what I read, it's an Armenian scale. I'll probably get a bunch of people going, no, it's not, it's from this place. So that's what I read. I looked it up briefly. I know the scale. I've heard it in songs and used it before on guitar. This is a little different if you're used to guitar. It kind of, there's a learning curve to it. You'll get to that in a minute. Because normally in a scale, we're ascending and then descending the notes, and that's including the strings, where this kind of goes wacky. You'll see that in a minute. So we're going to start off on the middle course of strings on the 3rd fret, then fret 4, and now it gets weird. We're going to go up to the top course to fret 6, and then to the bottom course to the open string, and then 3 and 4 there. So I'll play through that one time. So it's that whole going up a string then down 2 strings. It takes a little bit of getting used to. That's half the scale right there. All right, so that's the best way to learn scales, I always found, is just cut them in half and learn the first half, practice that a bit. Alright, so when you get that memorized, then we're going to add on the rest of the notes. It's the same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 notes. So after that 4th fret, we're going to go to 7 and to 9. Sorry, 10. And that's just 2 more notes to add on. That's where we have to move up the fretboard, up the neck. Alright, so the whole thing all together. Alright, play it forwards and backwards, play it to a metronome, learn the scale, but don't stop there. You know, if you just play a scale forwards and backwards, that's all you're doing is playing a scale. We want to do more than that. At that point, then you can start jumbling up the notes, and the better you have it memorized, the easier you can navigate and not get lost and mixed up on the notes. There's a lot of extra notes you can see I use. I use that open string, I use the 8th fret, so it's a pretty fun one, the open middle string. Another way I like to do scales is kind of like take the notes in groups back and forth. So like, I should have warmed up before doing this video because I'm making a ton of mistakes, but it's really just to show you the scale right now. So I'm going to play one more time through it, and I'll probably write out the tabs for it, and I'll put a link to that below. I missed a note, but it's okay, as long as you're not hitting the wrong note. it's the Hijaz scale with, what did I say it was? AGD tuning from top string down. Nice day out. I've been playing this thing quite a bit yesterday. I had a student online yesterday, cool lesson, so kind of got me to pick this up again. So I'll probably do some more videos today. We'll see and get them uploaded. First I'll finish this editing and all that fun stuff and get a bit more practice in because I'm feeling rusty on this thing. Thanks for watching. Hit like, hit subscribe. Till next time.